Good evening, friends. This is CA Sarup Ghosh from Stocksodec. Welcome all of you back. So last week our Nifty has given some corrections. Now people are scared. What will happen next? So people are all fearful. Fearful bulls are versus our hopeful bears are really fighting the game very good. So the picture here is has just started. Now lot of people are on the bullish side and lot of people on the bearish side. So now the looking at the correction, this is the Nifty chart, and there is a couple of corrections, only two red candles, and now panic has started. Although it has given so many green candles, nothing has happened. So first of all, let me take you through my views in the coming week in Nifty. Okay. Now before I tell you my views, whenever you are going to take any trade on Nifty, now here without our setup versus with our setup, you have you have a difference in approach how you are going to trade. Okay. Say for example, now in this particular setup, let us talk about 22nd, that is when the Nifty decline happened. Now at what point I should short, or I should take a trade? Within a naked chart, you will not be able to make out much. And now if I switch on our Stochastic setup, which is these two setup, first two setup, this is Stochastic Golden Ride and this one. These are the two setups which actually gives you a very good perspective of the trade. Now see it yourself, if I switch on this, and this on a standalone basis, you will not understand anything, and unless we explain, I will explain you, take you through the entire thing and the setup. Now in this setup, if you look at the setup, now once I switch it off, you will not know, because these are the signals, golden diamond signals. So gold diamond signal is a very valuable signal. In normal course on 22nd, actually the stock was actually a short at this particular level. At this particular level, it was a short. Okay. Now the short would have happened at this level, but how will you know the short here? Just a minute, let me also switch on the Stochastic setup. Yeah, now the short was at this level. Now without this signal, actually, because here the Nikola was satisfied. Okay, but then we normally take a very conservative approach, and we used to short at this level when we get a diamond, and had it been a flat diamond, that would have been the best. When you see getting a diamond here at this level, Nifty was 14,597 and it has swiftly moved down below 522. So therefore 100 points you would have got. Now this is a setup where you get lot of good trends. Now at this particular level, again, when you get a back to back, this is one diamond you have got, this is one diamond back to back, which all telling you that the Nikola is satisfied, Nikola rule is satisfied, but and you are also getting two back to back candles. So therefore Nifty is actually is not able to go up, and at this particular level you could have shorted here, and then if you have shorted here, you could have taken the ride, you could have gone out here. And with the how I am going to take that ride, it is very simple. Now now with this Stochastic setup, if you look at this, the particular in this this is the area where it was actually rising. Rising means this is the trend was rising, and then back to back if you have this candle, that means once you have shorted here, or our student would short here, because our advanced student would short here, but let us assume that you are not advanced. So therefore once Nikola satisfied here, there is a crossover, and the signal is was rising. you could have taken this particular ride, and then here Nifty was 571 and it has reached to 456. It is almost 75 points. So therefore, this is how you would have traded, and then you would have again booked profit, and again since you have got your back to back diamond, and you could have managed the trade like this. So therefore, it is a basically signal assisted help to really boost your confidence and trade profitably. So therefore, these are the signals which you get. Our student gets these two setup along with the course, and then we also use the OM. OM is basically option mastery. What does it do and how it is helpful? See, OM is basically a setup where I don't have to switch on between 15-minute, 1 hour and daily chart, and also I cannot switch over to another sector. So therefore, here if we click on the setup, I get a 5-minute, 15-minute and 1 hour information of the RSI here. So therefore, once I got all the time frames together, that makes the decision making very easy and accurate, and along with that I can also plot Bank Nifty or any other sector here at 15 minutes, how the sector was, it was indicated by black line, and how the sector was actually performing. So therefore, the sector was performing at this particular level. If you look at that, all these threes are downward. If you, are you seeing this? All the lines are downward. So therefore, it was also supported by RSI. So therefore, these are the double confirmation from different angle. Actually, you get a confirmation, and you can take options. Options take very less money, and these are quick money that you can profitably employ. So these signals are very proven techniques, and if you follow proper process, then chances of making loss is very minimal. We have now let me give you the view of Nifty in the coming week. All said and done, Nifty, in my assessment, is that Nifty would be bullish on Monday, that is 25th, and Bank Nifty will be bullish on 27th. Apart from other reasons, Nifty future is exactly at 50% Fibonacci level, and 6-1 it is also nearby, and POC Bank is also resting in the same value area. So no worry about private banks on similar ground. So pharma is on the projection support, and pharma is actually standing on a very good support. So unless the support breaks, there is no reason to worry about, and bearishness will start only when that support level breaks, and that it has to break with good power. So as of now, not seen any fast neckline break of in any index. So therefore, there is nothing to be worried about at the moment, and probably Monday the Monday to Tuesday or Wednesday would be very crucial, because if Nifty has to retain its position and go back to the bullish move, then Nifty has to stay on the support line and then reverse. And since our monthly expiry is coming very soon on Thursday, therefore you can see a very big movement. Now we have also developed one. We are really successful in developing this kind of this kind of setup on Reliance. Now this setup has been the people are using, the big guys are using. So therefore, this is the Heikin-Ashi candle, special Heikin-Ashi candle, I would say, and in this particular, only this setup will actually do everything. See, I have not plotted anything here. First of all, this setup gives you an advance warning in an upcoming explosive move. So when you are here at this level, this system is forecasting through with Ichimoku, special Ichimoku, special research parameters are really very valuable parameters which you use, and with this particular setup, you get an advanced signal. You get a three diamond and flag diamond, and then at this level your Nikkei is also satisfied. So therefore you take a trade, very safe trade, and then if you buy a option in Reliance here, and then you can write the trade, and then when you are going to get out of the trade, you know the rule. But again I'm saying that when the Nikala is also closing down this red level, you are going to meet up the red level. And here also, if you look at, is very important that you now, after this long ride, from 2020 to after 100 rupees here at 2120, there is a disturbance. So therefore the things are changing. So therefore this is the major disturbance. So here you can exit, and again see, original candle is all retained, but it is also in the same chart. It's just like a presentation. So therefore visually you can see how the movement is happening. Everything is bullish, and then exactly, even after here, after reaching here, normally you would have got out of the trade, but we did not got out of the trade because of this high rising Heikin Ashi here. So therefore if you use as a standalone basis Heikin Ashi, you will not be able to get this kind of flavor, because this is a guided this is a guided special Heikin Ashi which actually supplements your trade. So therefore you could have taken a very beautiful option here, and option price would have gone up 6 times 7 times, 100 rupees move. And this also tells you that when there is a disturbance here, you just exit. And then again we have a rule here, you will not only exit, you will also short, because you got a flat diamond here. And once you have a flat diamond here, you see the color of the candle automatically changes, and then the price is below this. So we have a rule, and this trade continues. So therefore you can take upfront. This is the setup I am talking about. You will get, and this setup is such a valuable setup. Here you would have gone here, you would have entered. So this advance warning system, in this system you do not have any advance warning system, and in this system you have advance warning, flag diamond, everything here. So therefore if you do not see any other thing, still you can make good money. And these are the lines. These lines are very significant lines, because these lines are very significant support lines. What support line? This black line is previous day's low line, and green and here in the blue line is previous day's high line. These are all automatically plotted, you don't have to do anything. And these star yellow line, and you can ignore, but these are very important support resistance line, and this yellow signal. So therefore all these signals we explain, and all big guys, few of the big guys have started using this kind of setup. And these are the setup where the trend is changing, and trend has changed here. So up to here you had a little bit of support in the sense that it was uptrend, and then uptrend, downtrend has been confirmed here automatically. So first confirmation, you have first confirmation here, second confirmation is flag diamond, third confirmation is this your candle color has changed, fourth confirmation is this yellow. So therefore how many confirmations you want? And therefore and look at the slope here. So therefore the slope will be going and going down, and the biggest confirmation is this line. What this line talks about? This is an advance warning line. Here you got an advance warning signal that it is going to have an explosive move downward. So therefore if you know all these things in advance, and these lines are drawn in such a manner, and the parameters are used in such a manner that you get an advance signal to take a put here. And then from here 2112, and it has come down to which level? 2033. That means again 100 points. So 100 point up and 100 point down, 250 lot size, 25,000 into 2, 50,000. So therefore even if you get 40,000 rupees from one lot, here you have booked one lot, here at this level you bought one and sold here somewhere here, and then after the disturbance, once you get a confirmation here. So therefore can you imagine the power of this power of this setup. This is such a beautiful setup, and you see these are all not drawings, these are automatic. Drawings have vanished, I have removed. Along with that, we have also, it is supplemented by our this kind of these two combinations. Our stock show right, that is the trend signal. Where is the trend here? The trend is here. This particular line is my trend line. This particular line, yellow line, let me, yeah, this is the line, this is the trend line, and then here also father, son, grandfather, you can make an adjustment here. So therefore, I know exactly by looking at a stock, that how the stock is behaving related to the sector, how the stock is behaving in what time frame. So for example, at this particular level, your all three are down, your sector is down, everything is down, and then what happened is here everything is down. Just watch carefully. Here at this level everything is down. Below this, squeeze has also broken out. Where is the squeeze? Here is the squeeze. These dotted line, blue dotted lines, are you seeing? These are Bollinger Band squeeze. Squeeze has, the stock has come out of the squeeze, automatic. Second thing is, this is, it is also adjusted with ATR dynamically, and then and at the same time, once this is gone, but this is down, and your trend, that is current trend, is what? Current trend is downtrend is going up. So all these confirmations, so these are not the same indicators, these are all indicators in a separate dimension. So we take about price, pattern, volatility, momentum, volatility, time, sentiment, everything is taken together in one particular setup. And if you take these two setup, that actually make a killing money. So therefore, and these are all very, very sophisticated tools, and these are very easy to use. Now if you want to switch off certain tools, let's say I want to switch off let's say these two, let's say this one, okay, sorry, I just switched off this yellow line and dotted line, that's okay, fine. So therefore, whenever I want to see it, I can see, and if I remove drawings, it will only remove drawings, but it will not even remove anything. So therefore, these are all automatic signals, and these are all adjustable in different time frame. If I go to 5 minutes, automatic it will be read on. So therefore, people who are advanced, they can get into this time frame and do this trading. So at the same time, you have all these signals here to making keep you on alert. So therefore, these are very sophisticated signals, and along with that, which stock I should trade, for that you get this kind of scanners, lightning scanner. What is lightning scanner? See the move which I have told you earlier here. Say for example, if I go to let's say Motherson Sumi or DLF, that's okay. Let's move to DLF and see, you will get this kind of advanced signal here. The advanced signal, this is the line, automatically it will drawn in this particular stock. So therefore, immediately I can move to DLF and then take you see this, it has given you 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candle, 3 candle advance, 3 times repeated alert that there is going to be a big move. So therefore, on and we have also got 2 back-to-back X candle. Just look at this, 2 back-to-back X candle. Second is your price is above this cloud. So therefore, and then it is only, we are waiting for what? We are waiting for, even Heikinesi has not yet confirmed that ash candle, but the confirmation which I have got, this is an advanced signal of the move. So therefore, on Monday you will get a big move in this particular stock. So let's see another stock, that's Indigo. Now if I go to Indigo, let me remove this drawing. So let's go to Indigo. See, all you need is an advanced signal. So if you get an advanced signal, this could be the best in your life. So Indigo also, it is also giving lot of signals. So whether it will be downward or upward, we have the rules, and we will get into the rule. So therefore Indigo has already given four candles already, downward, and what also it has done is, you have got a flag here. So therefore and you have a red candle, red background here. So we have to see what kind of move we can get. So and you also have a bullish or bearish divergence, bullish and bearish divergence advanced signals here. So therefore in this particular area, if you look at, you have an advanced signal in this area, you have a bullish divergence here. So therefore stock has no reason to come down. It has every reason to go up. You have a bullish confirmations here, divergence, that too divergence with an advanced signal, different dimensions. Ichimoku is a different trading system. So therefore these are all sure short trades which makes money. We only here talk about things which makes money, otherwise why we should waste our time. And these are, we make money so easily. You look at Motherson Sumi. Now Motherson Sumi, you look at this, there is no divergence here, really doesn't matter. On 15-minute chart, do you have a divergence? Yes, we have a bullish divergence. At this particular level, what you have done? Look how easy. The moment you get Motherson Sumi here, you got a bullish divergence here and also you have advanced signal. So therefore look at the move, 5,000 lot shares. If you have bought it here, then what you would have done. See, at 153, from 153 it has gone up to 164, 11 rupees at a 5,000 rupees share, at with 5 15 minutes candle. Just imagine the power of this. It's a huge money. If you really try to understand, this is huge money, and this huge money you can pocket that money without any trouble. For example, now here we were talking about Motherson Sumi. So at 5 minutes, you have a good signal here. No, so therefore now how you will be trading. You got a flag diamond here. Now what is the other dimension saying? Okay, the trend has not yet formed. Okay, third is everything is 5 minutes, 15 minutes and 1 hour, everything is taking support. So therefore it is a good chance that probably it will go up, absolutely. And if Nifty is supported or auto index is supported, like if it is Motherson Sumi, now I can change this to change this thing to auto. So therefore I will change this to CNX auto. So therefore if you change it to CNX auto, if you look at this, all the black line, everything has taken support here at support at what, 40 level. So therefore stage is set. Only thing is, once it crosses above this this particular line, I have no reason to hesitate to take. And where I should get out, my first target is here, my second target is here, and third target, I can use my bull trap and bear trap to really find out when at this level, at 156, I can predict whether it will go to this level or not. So therefore whether it will be this level or this will be level or this level, I know that can be determined in advance using our bull trap and bear trap. So therefore friends, do not wait. These are really sophisticated thing, and these are the things you should make money. You should invest in education. So therefore, and do something which makes money and which is very simple to understand. Everybody understands. If people may not understand English, maybe many people may not understand any other language, but the question is, people will understand the slope and understand these few signals. And these are we do not take trade in everything. We only trade on these signals, and these are very scientific signals. Okay. So we have this kind of setup, and we have another kind of setup here, which gives you diamond here. Say for example in a CAN bank, and if you have these two setups together, and then what will happen is once you have a confirmation, then you know it's a bingo trade. Here in this particular setup, if you look at this scan bank, now this is a setup of 5 minutes. Now in this, what we will do in the 5 minutes, you know, you get this kind of you get this kind of signal. So therefore, at 5-minute level, if you get this signal, our students know what you should do with this. Okay, this is a bullish reversal, bearish reversal signal. So therefore, you know, once the market starts tomorrow, we will look at this whether it is respecting this signal or not. If we do not respect, we will not take. We will move to another trade. So therefore, these things, these informations beforehand will make your life very easy, and you can trade this without much risk. So therefore, and you can also switch off whatever you don't want, or you know, in the running market you get lot of signals here. Say for example, you know, I can switch off these, you know, dotted blue lines with these are all dynamic tools. So you have lot of power in your hand. So only simple things you can you know, work on this. I can switch over this long term line and long term and short term trade, short term line, and see the whenever this, you know, long term line breaks, how Nifty reacts, or how the stock reacts. So therefore, first signal is this, second signal is this. So you have lot of, you know, stations. When the train makes a journey, you have lot of stations. So you can take a pause and you can see whether you would like to add your more stocks or not. So therefore, this is, friends, is a very beautiful setup. So you can contact me for this kind of setup, and you know, this can help you to work from home or work from anything, because our setup also works in mobiles completely. So now I will take you through our courses. So we have course where you know, you will get these two setup, this particular setup, you will get this setup, and you will get this setup. Okay. So therefore, these two setup you will not get here, you will not get this setup, this is separate. Okay. So this setup along with our candlesticks pattern training, this would cost you 30,000 rupees, and this is a 3-day program, and this is a marvelous program. And we don't sell setup separately unless it is absolutely required. So on the option part, we have an option trading strategy, and the course fees and everything is here, and it has gone up. Previously it was less, now it has gone up. So again from April we are thinking to increase the price. Okay, this is the option strategy where we do not teach alpha, beta, gamma, theta, etc. These are all simple things that will as I shown it in Reliance. So therefore, in option trading, you know, you can always do option trading here. So therefore, you know, these setups are all uniform setup. So therefore, once you have the setup, then you can do lot of things, and option trading requires very less capital, and in our programs we do not need any knowledge. We will train and train in a simple way. We have complete Fibonacci. This is the master course for 3 months, and where we will you know, teach you price, volume, and Bollinger Bands, volatility, and which are the things which impacts in the market. Then we have a separate course only for price action, volume, volatility, and gap trading. Gap is also very important, and this is a must have training, must have tool for any trader, because if we, as I said, that how will you know at this level, you know, at this particular level, when I am going to trade, let's say at the top, let's say at Nifty, at this level, that Nifty, you know, Nifty will go up to this. So therefore, when I am here, I can see that, you know, this can go up to here. Why? How? It is only based on bull trap and bear trap. So there is a, you know, accurate trap measurement. So therefore, at this particular level, once you buy a put, it is the cheapest, and then once you reach here or reach here at this particular level, you know, your put in, value increases, so you make money effortlessly. And what you are doing, you are actually riding a trend. You are not because your options, you have a risk that the option will get diluted, but here, since you are riding a very steep trend, so therefore your value is retained and you make quick money through option trading. Okay. And we also sell about these indicators. This particular setup, we have not yet declared the price of this single setup, but it will not be less than 50,000, that for sure. That's for sure, the single setup. Along with that, we have not yet decided the price, so you need to call us for the price. So within a day or two we'll quickly fix it, but it will not be less than 50,000. And maybe we can give an offer that whomsoever is taking this, for the first 5 candidates will get at 50,000, and then balance would be 10,000, that is 60,000 rupees. So that is the pricing we have not yet decided. Either explosive trend reversal for our student, it is 20,000. And for explosive, what is the explosive trend reversal? Yes, this is the explosive move we are talking about. This explosive trend reversal will cost you 20,000 rupees, because for our students, and for outsiders it will be 30,000 rupees. Okay. And the diamond scanner is 20,000 for outsider who does not take the course, and 10,000 for the persons who take the course. And the multi frame, that is ohm would be 20,000 again for outsiders, and 10,000 for our own internal people. So with these friends, these are the things that we have developed, and I'm telling you that we are making a lot of money using these signals. These advanced with my advanced setup is giving me advanced signal. So we pick up the stock particularly at the when it is at the lowest, and then we ride the trend. And in one view, you cannot have everything in one view. It is just like looking at a cinema, and then you can take a call. And from when you are at this level, you know how much you can go. If the stock is reversing here, or taking a halt, this is exactly is a bull trap measurement, which if you have the tool, you can take the option here, call option. So at this level, when it starts, you take a call option here at 2,100. This is the cheapest, and it multiplies. So this is how you should trade the trade. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. This is CA Sarup Ghosh signing off. Bye bye.